Alright, we're gonna make the meat sauce or gravy, whatever you want to call it, for the baked ziti that we're gonna have on Christmas. A little bit of olive oil, pepper and garlic. It's gonna saute in there until the garlic is golden, and then we dump some sauce in there. And here we got some pork brajol. We got some sausage links. We've got some, this is ground sausage and ground beef. So we're gonna take half of the ground sausage with half of the ground beef and make some meatballs with it. And then we're gonna take the other half of the ground beef and the other half of the ground sausage and put it into the actual sauce. We're gonna have a true meat sauce. And then when we make that, we're gonna put the rest of this garlic in to the meatballs, along with some other spices that we'll mix in here. Alright, so we got the meatballs started. We got the sausage, the beef, we got some breadcrumbs, basil, some parsley, garlic, and we're going to be putting in some cheese, some Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. Alright, we're browning up some of the meat here. This on, get that on there. We're gonna wait for that to heat up. We'll stir that up around that. All of that'll go in. Right?
Mm-hmm. What's that?
This is the ground beef.
Oh, okay.
All right. We're gonna have a lot of stuff going on here. So now we just gotta add the water. Cup of water. And Maddie will mix up the meatballs real well, and we'll be good to go. All right, this is the ground beef. We're gonna put this in. Yeah, you can put that in there. Dumps in just like that. That's it. Ooh, steamed up the end. Sorry about that. Okay, check that out. See that? Now we're going to grill up, fry up some sausage. Do the same thing. Put that back on. Get some flow. That fry up a little bit. Let's see how Maddie's doing over here. Mixing up the meatballs is one of the hardest jobs. You got to get that all mixed all nice and thoroughly. Sausage is done enough to go in. I'll show you that. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, let's take a look at it. this is the base of the sauce here. We're gonna put this, start putting the sauce in a couple of seconds. Just want to get these flavors kind of combined here.
34. That's the 66 we made last time. I made last time. And they were the big ones.
Well, they got the meatballs all made, so let's see what we got.
34.
We got 34 meatballs. Those look good.
Yep.
Those look good. Can't wait to do the poison test, huh, Mads?
Yes.
All right, Maddie's gonna do here. Put the can on that. Maddie's gonna do the second toughest job here. Opening up the. Hold on a second. I don't think you have it right. There you
I'm a
go.
lefty,
Yeah,
so
you're a lefty. I know. All right. I'm gonna start dumping some sauce. So here, what we do is we put a whole bunch of crushed tomatoes in first. That's the main. We'll probably end up putting about 6 or 8 cans in, depending on what this consistency looks like. And then we also put some tomato sauce in too. So there's no set amount. I never go off of a recipe, but I can assure you that everybody likes this stuff. That's right. So here we're, all right, searing up the sausages. Yeah, good stuff. Oh, I don't know. Well, maybe onions. I probably dropped onions. All right. That'll be done in a little while. It'll go into here. Oh, Maddie's got another crushed tomato ready, so that'll go in. So that's now 3 cans. That's 2 crushed tomato. Yep. Yeah.
It's 10. It's 8.
Got another one. All right. We're doing good here.
Another bag and you recycle.
Putting in the first batch of sausage. And then we're going to fry up another one. Check that out.
5 cans.
Yeah, I think so far. Definitely going to be putting more in.
Get all the beans first.
Yeah, that's why. All right. Good stuff. All right, we're getting ready to dump these meatballs in, and then we're gonna fry up the rest of those. Maybe, looks like that's gonna be another 2 batches. Like I said, we got the pork. So here, let me give you this over here, and then we'll get these dumped in. Bless you. We're dumping in all just like that. Get them seared in there. There we go. All right. Ooh, give it a stir. Yeah, you can stir it.
12. What do we do for dinner?
We'll get that last one in there. 13, we'll jam it in there. Look at that. Some friggin' awesome meatballs there. Sauce is brewing. The rest of them meatballs. Alright. Last batch of meatballs. It's looking pretty good. I don't even know how big that pot is, but that's a pretty damn big pot. It's gonna be some good stuff. And then we're on to this. Huh? Not yet. Let's get the rest of the meat in. What do you think? You think it's good?
Yeah.
How good?
It's always good.
All right. Getting the last bit of meatballs in, and then we're gonna go for the brujol. Yeah, look at that. All that stuff that sticks. That's all the good stuff, guys. Yeah, I think so. All right, give it a stir, Mads, and then we'll put the we'll start putting the brujol on. Is it looking good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, here we go. Good at brujol. Basically it's pork tied up. It's got spices and cheese in there. We're going to sear it and then it goes in. And if you never had this before, you better try to find it. Put that in there, nice sear. Got to make sure that you got this on nice and high, or we're gonna have a house full of smoke. Okay. I'm gonna sear the other ones. Woo. Alright, we're all pretty much finished up. We're gonna let this sit. Give it a little bit of a taste test in a couple hours, and then maybe put a little bit of wine in. So need a little bit of taste. So we got 5 cans of crushed tomatoes, 2 sauces, got brujol, sausage, meatballs. There you go. That's all she wrote.